Hello friends, welcome to baby school. Today I will show you how to draw a candle in a very simple way. First I will write 1. This time I will join this line. This time I will draw a small standing line in the middle of this line. This time I am drawing the candle fire. This time I will color the candle. This time I will paint the flame of the candle fire yellow. This time I will paint the top orange. Hey guys, if you like this video then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos and updates. Thanks for watching.